If you want to update a shared drive in N8N, this video will show you the exact steps in a simple and fast way. By the end, you'll know how to open the workflow, add the right Google Drive node, choose the Update Shared Drive action, and configure exactly what you want to update. If this helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more N8N tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8N. This is the workflow where you'll make the changes, so make sure you're in the correct one before moving forward. Once the workflow is open, go to the Nodes panel. This is where you can add new actions and connect services to your automation. From the Nodes panel, search for and choose Google Drive. This is the node you'll use to work with your Google Drive settings and shared drive details. After adding the Google Drive node, look for the operation called Update Shared Drive. Select that option so N8N knows you want to update an existing shared drive instead of creating something new or pulling in files. Now, it's time to configure what you want to update. Fill in the required fields based on the shared drive settings you want to change. Depending on your workflow, this could include the name, description, or other shared drive details available in the node. Take a moment to review each field carefully and make sure the values are correct before saving. Once everything is configured, your node is ready to be used in the workflow. From there, you can continue building the rest of your automation or run a test to confirm the update works as expected. And that's it. You've now learned how to update a shared drive in N8N using the Google Drive node. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out the next tutorial for more quick N8N workflows.